guys?
What's good?
Welcome back to our channel.
What are we going to be doing today, babe?
So today we're going to be showing you guys little Kavon's nursery.
We've been so excited to show you guys. Been waiting for little pieces, bits and pieces to come in.
Right, we've been promising this video for such a long time. The thing is, like, we were ready to film it and then we're like, wait, let's add this. And then we'll be ready to film it and we're like, wait, let's order this. And the thing that delayed it the most was the fact that we ordered this rug that you guys will see in the tour, but that took forever to ship. And then it took forever to get here because of Corona was, you know, what's it called? Slowing down shipments and stuff. So it's been pretty delayed, but we're so happy with the way the room turned out, and we're so excited to show you guys Little Von's nursery.
And we have all the furniture and everything that we want. There's just a couple knickknacks that we probably probably a lamp right here we would have wanted. Little pieces
there's little pieces we still want to add.
There's still things that we still want to add, but we're like, we can't wait anymore. It's pretty much done. You know what I mean? Like, we haven't bought anything recently. We're just waiting to find exactly what we want, I guess.
So before we start the tour, I quickly want to talk about the theme of his room. So his name in Farsi, Kavon, means Saturn. So that's why we decided to go with like a space. What are you doing, boy? That's why we decided to do a space theme for his bedroom. So if you guys are new to our channel, make sure, I think he's hungry, he's like rooting. So if you guys are new to our channel, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe down below for more videos. And yeah, let's get right to the tour. So when you first walk in the room, we have this little spaceship wicker storage thing in the corner, and this piece is like one of my favorite of the room because this was one of the first pieces that I got that fit the theme like perfectly. So I found this over on Pottery Barn Kids, and again, it just fits the room so perfectly, like the navy, the space theme. And we just kind of throw like extra stuff in here, like extra blankets and things like that, but this is like my favorite item in the room for sure. And then up here has to be one of my favorite pieces in the room because I found the most perfect photos. So these I got off of Etsy, and I just love them so much because they match the colors of his room perfectly and the whole space theme. So we got these three over here, but the frames didn't come with it. I grabbed these frames off of Amazon. And then down here we have this baby Milo rug. Obsessed with this rug. Again, he's like dressed like an astronaut, and this rug is the reason this video is so delayed because we were just waiting on this rug to come in, and because of COVID-19, like, it was delayed coming here. But we really love this rug too. I really feel like it kind of ties the room all together.
It's not the right size though.
Yeah, it's a lot smaller.
It's very small.
But I don't really mind it. I don't think it looks terrible.
It's not serving the purpose that we thought it was going to serve, but it's a nice decoration.
Like a decor. Yeah.
Like, we thought it was going to be like a floor rug, you know what I mean? Like a little bit bigger, but it definitely looks dope in the room.
Yeah. And then to your right when you enter, we actually got these shelves over from Ikea, and we love them so much because they fit the space perfectly and it gave us so much more storage in the room. So the little cubbies that you guys see, we got these from Target. And in here we just have some books. We're obviously gonna fill this up more as he gets older. We just kind of got some of these books. Like this one we got from his baby shower from Alyssa Forever. This is like one of our favorite books that he has because Mel's a sneakerhead. And it says ABCs for little G's, and it's so cute because it says like B is for Balenciaga, A is for Air Max. So we love this book. And then this book right here, we really like too. Mel picked this up for him. It says, I Am Positive Affirmations for Brown Boys. And it's just a really great book to have too. So in this cubby, we just throw his socks and his hats and things like that. And then over on this one, we just keep clothes that no longer fit him, but we are planning on having more kids, so we're kind of just keeping this for, you know, our other kids. And then we also have his Owlet sock and little machine right here. We love this. It really helped us transition into letting him sleep in his own room. And then up here we have his Hatch Rest sound machine. We love this sound machine because look, you just have to press it and it will turn on. And then over here we have his bathroom. So he obviously doesn't use this like all like that. We just kind of use the tub. But yeah, there's not really decor in here, but again, tying in the navy. So I got the shower curtain from Target, and this little rug is from Target as well. But yeah, we just use this to give him his baths. I'm so jealous that he has his own bathroom. Like as a child, that's all I ever wanted was my own bathroom, and he gets his right from birth, so he's a lucky boy. And then over here we have his changing table slash dresser. So this piece is from Delta Children. I highly recommend Delta Children if you're looking for pieces for your nursery or kids rooms. They have a lot of great stuff at really great prices. So this dresser we love because again, it gave us so much more storage in the room. And this changing pad cover is from the brand Lambs and Ivy. You can get it off of Amazon or Bye Bye Baby, but this is the same set as other pieces in the room that I'll show you guys. But we love this cover, it just goes so perfectly. And then we have his wipe warmer up here. This is an essential. Before we got this and he was really young and we changed his diaper, he would scream. And then when we got his wipe warmer, diaper changes got a lot easier, especially the middle of the night ones. And then let me just show you guys what we keep in the drawers. So this top one, I need to refill it, but we just keep his diapers. I have these dividers in here from Amazon, and this is kind of a mess, but it's an organized mess. We have like his diaper cream, some like medicine, his passy clips that we use all the time. And then in this second drawer, we keep his clothes. You know, luckily, because the clothes are so small, we can fit a lot in here. But in here, we keep onesies. Then these, like his zippered onesies. And then these are just like shirts and short sleeve onesies. And then all of his pants are over here. Guys, look how cute these are. Look at these little joggers. And then down here, we have this diaper pail. So the Murillo twins actually got me this diaper pail for our baby shower. And it's so convenient, guys. You change the diaper up here, boom, throw it in there, and it's gone. And then we just keep his lotion up here because it's too big to fit like in these little slots. We love using this Tubby Todd products on him. They smell so good, so we just keep that right here. And then down here we have this little unicorn, and Anya over at Beach Cosmetics got us this for our baby shower. And isn't this the cutest thing you've ever seen? Like, it just matches the room so perfectly, and it's just so cute. Like, I can't wait till he's old enough that he can like actually sit on it and play with it. And then over here we have his crib and all that stuff. So yeah, we got this moon over from Pottery Barn Kids as well. And I forgot to mention this navy wall behind us. So Mel and I painted this wall together and I was pregnant, so it's such a fun memory. But this color, I don't know it off the top of my head, but I'll put it in the description box for you guys. So Pottery Barn Kids has a collection with Sherwin-Williams. So this color was part of that collection and I love it so much for this room. And then this crib is also from Delta Children, and this one's really cool because it will also transition to a toddler bed as he gets older. So I love this one because it has the gray bottom, so it kind of ties in the few pieces of gray we have in this room. And then these sheets we got from Target. This is over from the Cloud Island collection. And again, it has like constellations on it, so it fits the whole space theme. And then up here we have this mobile that our friend Danny got us for his baby shower, and this could not match the room more perfectly. And you know, she actually got to see the room before it was all finished, so she knew what our theme was and everything, so she got us the most perfect piece for it. And this is such a lifesaver when he's like in his crib and he wakes up from his sleep. I'll literally just turn this on and he'll just stare at it until he falls asleep. And then this is his outlet camera right here, so we can see him in the night, and that's like his baby monitor. We just have that over on the corner. And then up here we have this shelf from Target, and the KW that Mel showed you guys earlier, he actually painted the initials the same color as the wall, so they match perfectly.
And then I'll just show these real quick. So I got, this is Morty, if any of you guys are Rick and Morty fans. And then I painted these KWs for him, which is his initials, if you don't know. Then we have Miles Morales here, which is the Black Spider-Man. With him being half black, I also want him to be very in touch with, like, you know, the dope black characters and things like that, because there are a lot of them and they don't always get as much shine as other characters might. But we'll eventually get him more and get him like bigger Funko Pops, but I want him to kind of develop like a passion and a thing that he enjoys before we just go buying him like a whole bunch of things that he might not be into. These right now just fit like the theme of his room, so they're kind of like space.
Moving on to this section of the room. I love this section so much. We have 3 windows, and then I definitely wanted to get a cushion that fit this perfectly. It was so hard to find a cushion with these exact measurements. So what I did was I went on this website called, I can't think of it off the top of my head, it's like customcushions.com. I typed in the dimensions and I got a piece to fit perfectly in this section. And then I also, so the thing is, I ordered it in white. I don't know why I thought white was a good idea. It didn't even look good in the room, especially because this wall itself was white. I got white with a navy trim. So I had to spend more money and get a custom cover for it, and I made it navy. So that's what we have right here. These pillows are also from Etsy. Definitely check out Etsy if you guys want really personal pieces for a room. They did take a while to get here. That's the only downside to Etsy, is that it takes forever because all the pieces are handmade. But these pillows fit the room so perfect. And this moon, I actually didn't realize I did this because, again, it takes so long to get here. I ordered it like months ago. I didn't realize until Mel pointed out, but I did put his initials over on this pillow. So it says KW, and we have a moon, a star, and a cloud. Just have that in the corner.
Cozy gang.
Cozy gang. I don't know how old he's gonna be when he's finally big enough to like sit on this, but you know, it's a vibe. Just chill up here.
In all honesty, it's not too much of a vibe.
It isn't, because it's not very wide.
Yeah,
you know?
it feels
like,
a little bit wider.
You can't like comfortably like lay on it, you know, but it's just like a nice.
Maybe when he's
pop in
little,
the room.
it'll feel wide for him.
But it's so high up for him. Like I feel like he'll fall. Anyways, moving on. And then over on this corner, at first I thought we want to have space for a rocking chair in this room, but then I was like, you know what, it's fine if we cover up some of the closet because we don't really use that side anyway. But this rocking chair I got over from Amazon. Now I really love this rocking chair. At first I thought the navy color, it's navy on the website, but this isn't like a true navy. It's definitely a bright blue, but I still really like it. It's really fun, but the only downside is it came kind of broken, if you guys can see. So wouldn't recommend ordering this off of Amazon, but we really do love this chair. You guys have seen this already in a few videos before, but again, it's a nice pop, especially because this side of the room is all white. And then it also reclines. So this is where we feed Kavon at night, and it's like middle of the night feedings. And then right next to it, we have his closet. So we keep a majority of his clothes in the dresser, but this is more of his like dress up clothes, you know, things like this. Guys, look at all these cute sneakers we have for him for when he gets older. Mel actually ordered all of these, but we have his Travis Scott's. We have these ones. Mel actually bought these for him when he bought this pair, so they're gonna match. I really love these ones too. I highly recommend you guys get some of these. I found these over on Amazon, but they're little dividers so you don't get their, you know, sizes confused. That is it for Kavon's nursery tour. We really hope you guys enjoyed. We had so much fun decorating this room, so we're so happy we finally got to share it with you guys. And I'll try to link as many of the pieces that I showed in today's video in the description box for you guys. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you again for our next video. Bye guys.